Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Always Ask option when making calls, so your phone will ask you every time which SIM card you want to use. If you have a dual SIM phone, this is a useful feature to manage your calls. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Settings app on your phone. Once you're in the settings, look for an option SIM card and mobile data or SIM and network settings depending on your phone. Tap on it. In this section, look for an option that says calling or call preferences. This is where you control which SIM card is used by default for calls. Now here's the important part. You'll see an option that says Always Ask. This will make your phone prompt you every time you make a call, allowing you to choose which SIM card to use. Simply select this option. Now that you've enabled it, go ahead and make a call to test. You should see a pop-up asking you which SIM card you want to use. You can choose between your two SIM cards each time you make a call. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Always Ask feature for calls on your dual SIM phone. Now you can easily manage which SIM card to use without any hassle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.